Hello and welcome to another video. By special request, we will now cover a cross-currency payment. So we'll quickly draw that. I've got, for the current setup, I've got two accounts. I've got one account, it's the dev1 account, and I've got another account, the rdev4 account. So we can quickly look it up here. You can see it's rdevi1. And we've got here rdev4. So these two accounts we will have, and one account will be sending more or less, so we'll do it with euros. So we'll be sending €1, but he will send XRP, and these XRP will be automatically transferred or formatted, issued or transformed into euro. So this shall happen automatically, as we know the current, as we might know, the current XRP price is about 52 cents. So free XRP should cover that one here. And right, so the rdev1 account will send free XRP, which as a maximum of free XRP, and the dev4 account shall receive €1 in total. Alright, so in order to start, we will have to add the assets here. So both accounts will need to set a trust line for euro. So we'll do it now. So we'll go to add asset, go to euro, and we'll go to next. So now I have to use my XSum app to sign the requests here. So I'm going to sign the first trust line. Alright. And now we'll go to the second account. As soon as that's done here, okay, great. So we can see here we've got now my euro issue per gate up, and I will do that also for this one here. All right, so one more time. Okay, great. So little side note, the other address. Okay. Yep, that's a little bit mean here. So okay. Come on, it shall work. Okay, my bad. We'll have to pause quickly. Alright, so we'll continue now signing it, because I had to also add the second account. Even though I set a regular key, I still have to add it to XSum app, and now I can sign. Alright, so that works now. Now I've got my second trust line also set for the other account. Alright, so both of them now have euro issued as an issued currency in there, as an asset added there. And now the first account, so we'll copy this address here, because this account wants to send this account. So we can also see here, that's I really like the overlay here. If I send XRP using the XRP toolkit, I can see the account information, when it was activated, who activated it, and also who the regular key is. So this account that I have right now here is the regular key account. So I can also sign with this account for the other one. So this is just a security measure in case I might lose access to my other accounts, since these are my test accounts, and yeah, it doesn't matter really. Alright, so cool. Now we'll go to euro, and I will send €1. The only issue I've found with this is that here we can see that it at least wants us to have €1. That's the only issue I found with the XRP toolkit here. So I will do one thing first. So in this case, I will quickly trade on the DEX here. I will quickly sell XRP. we'll sell one XRP, so not to US, so I will go to another trading pair. That's the only bug I found, more or less. I will go to XRP Euro, and we'll sell one XRP for 51 cents. I'll place quickly a sell order there. Alright, so signed. So I have to sign that again. So because that's an issue I found, basically. So there's a few bugs XRP toolkit has to fix. Because if I want to, so now I can go back. So now I've got my 0.52 euros, and now I can go again to send. I will enter this address here, and now I can send, for example, 0.5 XRP euro. But I will go to send max and enter here, for example, 3 XRP. So with the send max, basically telling it that it should use at max 3 XRP to fulfill that job here. And I will now give the order, and now you can see here amount. So I shall so the receiver shall receive 0.5 euro, and I will at most send 2 XRP, which I'm willing to give up, so it shall be converted. So I will sign that on my phone again, and now it's submitting. So we can see now that as soon as it's done, then we'll go to account again, So you can see here that my EUR balance hasn't changed. It stayed the same here. That's very important to notice. And my XRP have decreased. So that that's, like I said, it's a bug here. So you can only, if you send it, you see here that you can only send as much. Even though when I set the send max flag, it's showing an error message. That's a bug, I guess. You can just assume here. But you can see here my EUR balance hasn't decreased at all, but the other counterparty receives 0.5 euro now. So I've sent, so it automatically has sent euro, even though I selected XRP as means of payment. So we can now look that one up, what we just did here. And you can see here that delivered 0.5 euros. And now it's a little bit more complicated than that, because you can see here all the changes which were affected by the payment. And we will probably also, so I have also to look at it a little bit more than that here. And we'll also look it up at BitHome quickly. So maybe we get there more insights about that. So we can check out the raw JSON there. So what happened there, so we can see here the currency is euro, issue value 0.5. And here's this send max flag with 2 million drops, which is 2 XRP as we know. And right, affected nodes. So what did it do here? High limit, okay, right, so that's high node. What else? Low node, so there's just some entries there. Previous fields, alright, let's see if we can get a little bit more information what happened here. But basically, yeah, and there's the interesting part. We've got an offer here. So you can see here that basically, if I'm not mistaken here, yes. Okay, no, it's something else unfortunately, so let's see quickly. Because the important part is that there should be an offer, so I hope this belongs to that here. But I guess that it should automatically have transformed my XRP into euros and then sent euros. So we'll look at it one more time because I didn't check it out before this, because there's about 87, so that doesn't sound right though. Right, or maybe it was right, maybe we partially filled that offer there. So maybe there was a taker thing, so there was a taker field, so somebody was willing to pay, willing to get 87, right, there's somebody who wanted 87 euros, yeah. It's a taker, but let's see if there is the entry for the maker. No, there's not, though. Right, but I will have to look at it more closely. But the main message here is that I will quickly that it worked more or less. That it automatically transformed. Ah, great. Yep, and BitHome it's better. So you can see here that I pay 0.995 XRP in order that the receiver gets 0.5 euros, and that is awesome. So it'll automatically use the DEX, so the decentralized exchange, to transform the XRP I was willing to pay in order to deliver 0.5 euros. So all of that happened automatically. So, right, so you can see, like I said there, so it's always like, sometimes it's different, sometimes the XRP scan is better, sometimes BitHome is better. In this case, I like the BitHome overlay better because you can see awesomely here. You can see here that it was instructed to spend up to 2 XRP, and it's basically spent 1 XRP to transform it into 0.5 euros. Alright, so that's basically how it works. So, like I said, the only bug in the XRP toolkit here is that it only, if I want to send euro, it doesn't allow me to send more euros than I have on my account balance, even though it doesn't spend those, because when it's at the send max field, it transforms the XRP. Basically, would have to test it if it also works with other currencies, but right now we did a cross-currency payment, which transformed XRP automatically into the desired issue currency. And right, so that's how it works. So I hope you liked the video. Again, sorry that it took me so long to produce that video, because I was struggling exactly with that part there until I found out that it's a bug with the XRP toolkit. Right, so yeah, thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video, and see you in the next one.